Here now are the answers to our exercises about addition and subtraction of mixed numbers. Here is our given problem: 8 and 2/3 plus 9 and 1/2 plus 3 and 2/5. Here are the different choices. And for our solution, first we need to convert mixed numbers to improper fractions. So just like this fraction, we copy the denominator, and for the numerator, that will be the whole number multiplied by the denominator, and add to their product the numerator, which is 2. The same step for the two remaining fractions. And then our answer here, we have 26/3, 19/2, and 17/5. Now we will add then the dissimilar fractions. Okay, to add the dissimilar fractions, find first the lowest common denominator, or which is also the lowest common multiple of the denominators 3, 2, and 5. Their LCD is 30, and we have here for the first fraction, okay, the denominator is 30, and for the new numerator, we will have 30 divided by 3, and then multiply their product by the old numerator. This is how we get the new numerator. The same step is involved in the remaining two fractions. Okay, so we have here now 260/30, and since we have here the numerators for the three fractions, we will add them. Okay, so adding all new numerators, we have 260 plus 285 plus 102. And this will give us 647/30. But this is not our final answer because this is an improper fraction, so we have to simplify. We need to change this to a mixed number. So 647 divided by 30, the whole number is 21. And then just copy the denominator, which is 30. And for the numerator, that will be 647 minus the product of 21 and 30. So our final answer here is 21 and 17/30. That is letter B. And using your calculator for the shortcut, just press the number 8, the fraction key, number 2, fraction key 3 plus 9, fraction key 1, fraction key 2 plus 3, the fraction key 2, fraction key 5, and the equal sign. For our problem number 2, we have the given 3 and 4/5 minus 2 and 3/7. We have the choices, the same steps. First, convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Okay, and we have here improper fractions. We can then proceed to subtracting improper fractions. So find the lowest common denominator of 5 and 7, that is 35, and then compute the numerator. So computing the numerator, we will arrive at 48. So 48/35. This is not our final answer because this is a mix, or rather an improper fraction. We have to change this to mixed number. Okay, so 48 divided by 35, the whole number is 1. Copy the denominator, and then 13, we arrive at 13 by 48 minus the product of 1 and 35. So we have here 1 and 13/35, and that is letter A. And here is our shortcut using the calculator: 3, fraction key 4, fraction key 5 minus 2, fraction key 3, fraction key 7, and the equal sign. Number 3, we have the given, and here are the choices. Again, convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions, and then add the improper fractions. So convert, find the LCD, and then find the new numerators. Once you have the same denominators, you can now add the numerators. And simplify this: 1063 divided by 36, the whole number is 29. Copy the denominator, and for the numerator, that will be 1063 minus 29 times 36. This is letter D. And for number 4, we have the given problem 2 and 3/4 plus 1 and 2/3 minus 3 and 1/5. Here are the choices. And for the solution, again, the same process. Convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. After converting, you add now the improper or dissimilar fractions. First, find their LCD. So the LCD of 4, 3, and 5 is 60. And then find the numerators. So once you have found the numerators, you may add all the numerators, copy the LCD, and then we have here 73/60. This is not our final answer because it is a mixed number. 73 divided by 60, the whole number is 1. Copy the denominator, and for the numerator, that will be 73. 73 minus the product of the whole number and the denominator. Our final answer is 1 and 13/60, or letter B. And using your calculator, we have 2 fraction key, 3 fraction key, 4 plus 1 fraction key, 2 fraction key, 3 minus 3 fraction key, 1 fraction key, 5, and the equal sign. And then the last number, we have 20 and 3/4 plus 10 and 2/5 with the given choices. Again, the same step. Convert the mixed numbers to improper fractions. Once you have improper fractions, add these improper fractions. Okay, they are dissimilar fractions because they have different denominators. So find the LCD. The LCD of 4 and 5 is 20. And then, same step, find the new numerators. Okay, the LCD divided by the old denominator multiplied by the old numerator. And once you find or found the numerators, you may add all the numerators. Just copy the denominator. 623/20. This is not our final answer. We have to convert this to a mixed number. Okay, so 623 divided by 20. Okay, we have here the whole number is 31. Copying the denominator, and for the numerator, that will be 623 minus the product of the whole number and the denominator. We will arrive at 31 3/20, and that is letter D.